Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to look at a company that hires software testers from any location, from anywhere in the world. Yes, one good thing about this company is that you're not just only going to be a software tester, you're going to learn new skills because they have academy that helps you to learn new skills or improve on your testing skills. Secondly, you're going to earn while you're learning your new skills or improving on your old skills. And again, they have a community where all the testers come together and so you have opportunity to learn a lot of things from this company while making your money. So they hire people to test softwares and websites. So if you're interested, you're going to watch this video till the end as I'm going to show you the process, all you need to know to sign up and start earning. Secondly, while you sign up on this website and the other ones that I've shared in the past, make sure you complete the onboarding test. This onboarding test allows you to learn all you need to know before you start working. So make sure you complete the tests that you need to complete. So a lot of you sign up without completing the test, so I don't know how you expect to get jobs on your profile. Make sure you complete the test as I'm going to show you on the screen. Okay, hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Delphine and I talk about how to earn money online. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment and share it to people that might need it. All right, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are amazing. So let's dive into the main video. This company is called UTTest, and UTTest is one of the largest community of testers in the world. Okay, so you earn money, you learn new skills while helping world-class companies deliver amazing digital experience. So it's a home of largest community of digital freelance software testers. So you're going to work as a freelancer, you're working on your own terms and on your own hours. Okay, so this is companies that they work with. You can see a lot of companies that they work with or they partner with. So this website also has a mobile app. They have it in Google Play Store and Apple Store. So go download it so that you can complete your test anywhere and any location you are. So how it works is that you come here, you click on become a tester, and then it brings you to this page where you put in your first name, your last name, your email address, date of birth. Make sure that your date of birth and your name is the same with the name on your ID because you're gonna be paying tax. This really pays well. This website pays well, so you need to make sure that these things are correct. Okay, and then you continue. So after the sign up process, it's going to bring you to this page. This is my home page. I have signed up. This is what my home page looks like. This is the home page. I'll sign back in. This is the home page. You can see that I've started completing my profile. So this is the joiner checklist. After creating your account, you confirm your email address. So once you're done creating your account, you'll be emailed a link that would enable you to confirm your email address. Then you set up your payment method. So the payment method they have is PayPal. So PayPal is the payment. They also pay directly into your bank account depending on your location. So your location will determine the type of payment that you get. So you need to make sure that you set up these things, and you're going to also connect with the community where you're going to share your experiences and stay up to date. So complete your profile, make yourself available to participate in projects that match your expertise. So you're gonna scan the project board, take a course at the academy. This is very important. This is the academy here. And these are the courses that you're meant to take. Introduction to UTTest, UTTest.com navigation, UTTest mobile app, UTTest basics, testing basics, academicbugs.com, UTTest cycle process, slots, test cases and reviews, issues, reports. You need to take these courses. This will help you grow. This will help you, understand how to test and what you need in this particular website. So don't ignore this. You're not going to get much jobs if you don't complete these courses. Okay? This is very important. You need to complete these courses to move forward. So this is the project section. They have test cycles, test cases, and project board. For today, the project board has an amazing opportunities for you guys. This one starts from December the 1st. Exciting opportunity for LGTV owners in the UK. Where they are going to complete a series of short, simple test cases designed to evaluate the functionality of LG. So they are starting December the 1st, but it's for people in the United Kingdom. And the other one is help test and improve payment method for top financial institutions in the UK and the USA. And the start date is November the 15th. So this one is teenage testers needed for video selfie project, multiple countries. So this one is actually worldwide, November the 30th. And so many other ones that are here. So each one that is here, they usually state or make it clear the countries that they want, or if it is worldwide. Like this one, seeking air travelers, airport lounge customers journey worldwide. You see, this one is for worldwide. And some are for other countries. You can load more. There are lots of them right now that if you sign up and complete your course, you don't even need to complete your courses to get this one, because I haven't completed mine and they're already here. They're seeking for people with disabilities worldwide. Paid study for people with disability. So this is the description of the job, and this particular one is paying $60 per day, guys, per study. So it says, join us in shaping the future of accessibility technology. We are seeking individuals with disabilities or special conditions worldwide to participate in online studies with a leading tech company, contribute to a variety of projects throughout 2024 and 2025 with flexible online studies and a minimum payout of $60 per study. Guys, this is good. So it's still active and it is worldwide for accessibility. So what you need for this one is computer or mobile device. Most of these jobs have. So all you need to do is to click on the apply button and you apply for this one. Okay. So this one is calling out company owners, business with accounts on multiple fintech platforms needed for testing worldwide. So then they're looking for company owners with active business accounts on any of the following platforms: Wise, Air, Wallets, Aspire, PayPal, Ping Pong, and all of them. So just click on the apply button if you meet the requirement and apply. So because of the volume of submissions, you will only be contacted if you are invited to the project. So if you're not invited, don't worry. Keep applying. So this is how it works. Just come to the project board and you see projects that are available and choose anyone that fits your profile. Yeah, this is it, guys. And here is where your notifications will always come to. If you have any notification like this one, I received this one 3 days ago, looking for testers with certain fashion accessory preferences to participate in UX studies. Okay. So guys, once you come, make sure you complete your profile. Don't leave your profile halfway. Don't leave it halfway. You can also join the community. Look at the community where people come and leave their comment, their opinion, and everything that they've been doing so far on the community. They leave it here. Okay, so you have opportunity to interact with other testers and read articles and the forum. So make sure you go through your profile, complete it. It will give you opportunity to get more projects assigned to you. Okay. So this is it, guys. Once you sign up, come here and complete all these things that I've mentioned and click on the job board, the project board, and apply for jobs and see if you get contacted. These ones pay really well, from £60 upwards. And that is it, guys. This particular website pays between $60 upwards. Some of them even pay more. So all you need to know is sign up now and complete your profile. Make sure your profile is complete so that you'll be matched with jobs that specifically fits your profile. All right. So complete your profile, complete the test. The onboarding test is really important. The courses listed there, they are really important for you to understand how testing works. Don't forget, this company offers you courses that will help you to improve on your testing skills. If you're a beginner, you learn how to test by completing those courses. Okay, so imagine earning or working or learning while you're earning. It's really cool. So that is it for us for this website. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video to people that might be interested. And I will see you in another video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.